Alright guys, we are back at it. We got Dylan here. We're at Joliet Motocross. They got a Supercross track and a motocross track, so this should be fun. Cleaned up the YZ. She looks good. Stark looking good as well. I'm excited for you to get your new plastics, dude. It's gonna look so clean.
It's gonna have a new aesthetic.
Yes, it'll literally be a freshie, bro.
It's a new era.
It is a new era. I did clean it up, lubed up the chain yesterday. I did start it as well, so she should be good to go. Oh, I really need to stretch before I do that, damn. One kick. She was started yesterday, so she's good. Alright guys, let's check this track out. Wow, big ruts. Wow guys, I'm speechless. I'm trying to lock in. Oh, I just got roosted. Holy cow, Dylan. That's a track, bro. That was one lap. It was fun though, but that was a lot.
That's a serious track.
Yeah, this is a real deal now. Good first lap, but definitely could be better. Oh, I cleared it! I basically cleared it! Oh god, the ruts! Ooh! Oh my god, dude, I got stuck in that rut right there. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go hit the motocross track again. The YZ's feeling so good out there. It finally is happy to be in the power band and not on some small tracks. Yeah, let's go shred it. Oh, we gotta go, yeah. They're hopping on. Dylan just accidentally went on the kids track. Oh no! Oh, Dylan went down. What happened, Dill?
He got bodied in the run.
Damn. Good. Oh God. We're gonna go check out the Supercross track. Been riding the motocross track so far, but gotta go check it out. Alright guys, we're about to go send the motocross track for the last time. First trip to Joliet, really loved it. There's finally some openness where you can actually get the bike to rip. Being able to hear it in the power band for the motocross track is sick. Definitely got to dial in the suspension, still on my to-do list. We're good. Oh my God. You didn't see me eat it in the parking lot?
I saw you pick up your bike, so I knew something happened.
I ate it in the parking lot.
I tasted that second to last jump so hard.
Really?
I smashed my nuts out so hard.
Ouch. Bad way to end it, dude.